Hi, Renee Hasseldine here from sheyourpassion.com.au. And today I'm going to be talking about, for the people who want to become the go-to expert, where do you actually start? And this actually came up as a question in my Facebook group in the Brains Trust. So if you're not in there, jump in, come and join us. Love to have you there. There's lots of great conversation going on there and sharing of ideas. So in the Brains Trust, yes, someone said to me, okay, so yes, I do want to become the go-to expert. I posed the question. They said, yes, I do, but where do I start? Well, there are actually three key elements that you need to nail to become the go-to expert in your field. The first of those is your zone of genius. And that is really, really important to be clear about, because if you are kind of presenting mixed messages to the market, you're coming across as a jack of all trades and a master of none, you're really not going to be very attractive as an expert or as the go-to expert in a particular field. So I really found this happened for me when I narrowed down even further. So I had my 7-stage process for my book, and I narrowed down even further into stage 4, which is just this signature system stuff. When I decided to do that, it was very, very clear to my audience that that is my thing. I do signature systems with visual models, nothing else. That's it. And very, very quickly, because my messaging and everything that I was doing and saying was on message then, it was very clear for everybody to understand what it is that I do. And so I want you to think about for yourself, what is it for you that is your zone of genius? And the narrower you can be, the more attractive it's going to be. You provide a specific solution to a specific problem, and you will be the go-to for that problem. Okay, so that's number one. Number two is you need to build experience. Okay, you can't be the go-to expert without experience to back up what you say that you're going to do, right? And clearly that's going to take time. And so, you've got to get the runs on the board. But if having that consistency that we talked about in number one, being clear in your zone of genius, means that you're going to consistently attract clients, and you'll attract more clients faster so that you can actually get that experience under your belt sooner rather than later. And number three then in being the go-to expert is actually creating that signature system. And you know how much I love that stuff. But this is really just all about taking what is in your head and what you've been doing with your one-on-one clients and turning it into a format, a tangible format with visual models, so that you can actually start leveraging and being the go-to expert that you want to be. So those are my three key success ingredients for becoming the go-to expert. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I can create another video for you, or I'll answer in the comments. Let's do this. Let's keep the conversation rolling. Thanks for listening. I'm Renee Hasseldine.